Hi, and welcome to another tutorial for Scrivito, the cloud-based JavaScript CMS. My name is Sinan Teufsen. This time, we talk about single-page JavaScript applications and SEO. You might have heard that there's a pitfall with JavaScript and SEO. And yes, that's right. Most crawlers, except for Google, don't read the JavaScript of your page. They're only able to crawl HTML markup. So if your website is made up of nothing but JavaScript, they don't get anything they can process. Even Facebook, who built React, doesn't crawl or pre-render your JavaScript. So you will not have an open graph, you will not have a Twitter card, and most search engines will not really index the content of your page. So what now? Fortunately, there's a very simple answer for that. We teamed up with our partners at Netlify to make a simple but effective solution that answers this issue. Netlify is a provider that hosts all of your websites. And as a benefit, Netlify does a lot of things internally that you would have to take care of otherwise. For example, they have a CDN for all of your code, so load times are reduced. They offer smart redirect and rewrite rules, SSL, DNS, and much more. And most importantly, they provide pre-rendering for your pages. This means the JavaScript content is processed, resulting in HTML files web crawlers can work with. To achieve this, Netlify checks whether the user agent is a browser or a crawler. Browsers get rich dynamic JavaScript content, while crawlers are given the rendered static HTML files. In short, problem solved, all pages can now be indexed. Additionally, we have also included many SEO-related features into the example app. Each page automatically includes head tags with page description, Facebook and Twitter cards, all with text and images from the content of the page. All of this is done automatically for you. Just click on the link in your dashboard to visit your page on Netlify, or go and visit Facebook to check how your posts will look by default. And of course, you can update the images and descriptions manually in the page settings. Additionally, sitemaps are created and can be modified however you may like. If you just deployed your app or your editors have changed your social cards, keep in mind it may take some time until the new or changed content is reflected in the pre-render. Thanks for watching and see you next time.
Scrivito. Your websites just run better with us.